Okie dokie. All my cans are empty, so now I have one can left. A huge 5-liter bottle. That's for sure good enough until 10 o'clock. Zapring aanrasten lassen. I'm gonna use a translator. Now this. Ooh! Oh my god, it's really good. Too bad I don't have normal beer glass. Oh, it tastes really good. Yeah, that's actually really good. Oh. Going to prep some kebab. It's a weird name. The brand, I think it is. Yeah, it is. What a weird kak. Yeah, in English it's also not that weird. In Dutch it's a weird name. I bought this, I froze it, so I have it for a while now. It's not much though. I made some bread to put it in between. I have some veggies, I have some garlic sauce, some ketchup. I need to put it upside down because it's empty almost. And mayo. So I'm gonna bake this. I have hot sandwiches. And I have a... Baking the pita. It's actually shawarma. This is not pita. Lately they call it pita, but it's...
De belasting. Het allermoeilijkste dossier van deze regering. Premier De Wever wil daar eigenlijk over een week af.
Het was 3 ziekenwagens en een brandweerwagen. Dat de botsing frontaal was, is aan beide wagens goed te zien. Vooraan helemaal.
De vrouw is deze middag reeds met haar wagen op de E40 richting Oostende.
Pita en bier.
Is met haar wagen op de Perstrook gaan.
A little bit of spice. Nootmuskaat. I don't gonna look up the name anymore because I never find it. And then some veggies. And cheese. Perfect. Maybe some crunchy veggies. You need it. One bread pita. Broodje pita. Okie dokie. I fixed up the caravan. Everything is in. Everything is locked. Everything is in the car again. The boat, the shovel, the whatever you can think of. Everything is in the car. The car is started. The lithium is charging because I almost don't have any electricity left. I have 450 amp hours, but yeah, I'm here for, how long did I stay here? I think 5 days. It's Monday. I need to look it up. It's probably 5 days. I had 5 meals, so that's easy. But then the first day is not a real day because then I arrived at 5, 6, 7 o'clock, I don't know. But it's time to go. No electricity, so I'm gonna drive and then I can charge 100 amp hours. I still have 50 amp hours left over, maybe even more, so I can easily do 2 days. But now with that Starlink crap, I use a lot of electricity. Then I actually always use my laptop, and that uses a lot more electricity than my tablet. Hey, kom jongen. And it's time to say goodbye from this place. It's time to say goodbye from this awesome place. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to drink. We played with the stick for an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this. This was awesome. Yesterday was actually a really good day, but I took my boat away already. So, but yeah, I had a good day in the caravan and walks and some lasering stuff. So, but I'm happy I took a shower. I only have water for 1 day, but no showers. I can do 2 or 3 dishes, and then some brushing my teeth and stuff, and some cat wash. We call it a cat wash, a little cat wash. That's how we call it. Just with the cloth on the sink. You almost don't use any water then, but you're clean, you're fresh. It's not as good as a good warm shower. As a good warm shower, but yeah. My gas, I don't know where it is. It's so annoying, gas. You never know. If I had my LPG tank, I could see there is a gauge on it, but yeah, I didn't bring it. That's the stupidest thing on my journey now, that I didn't bring my LPG tank. It's very expensive, but they said in Sweden you can't fill it up anywhere in the Scandinavian countries. There are only in Finland is only one gas station, but absolutely not true, because there are a lot. But you just need to find a local gas supplier that wants to fill your gas up. I found one in Sweden, a barbecue store. You just fill it up like nothing. There's a German bottle and my bottle. It was not cheap, but I don't care. So yeah, now we're gonna get. It's more than a week or more, even still, before I'm there though. So, but I'm gonna get soon. I'm gonna be in Finland, so I need to find a vet to give Topsy some deworming. It's a fox lintworm. I don't know if you say lintworm, worm. Yeah, it's a special type of worm that mammals can get. Apparently it's already in Finland, so it's absolutely not needed anymore. But yeah, I read it on one site and it was an official government site that it wasn't needed anymore. But I can't find it back, first of all. That's a little bit of a worry, and second of all, the whole internet is filled with that you need to deworm your dog, some cats, most cats also, but yeah, cats. And otherwise you can get your dog impounded. Yeah, and then he needs to be impounded for 24 hours. And yeah, Topsy impounding, that's no joke. Okay, come on. Allee jongen. Joepla, kom aan ze hè. Joehoe. Dat is een flinke. Okay, that's closed. Last check. So basically I'm still ready for another couple of days, 2-3 days in the wild. My gas, I don't know. I hope I can keep my gas bottle until Finland, and then I should buy a Finnish bottle because I'm gonna stay there for a couple of months. So that's gonna be worth it maybe. It's very expensive gas bottle back there, and I only have one then. Yeah. Now I have two that I can't use. They need to travel with me for no reason whatsoever. Yeah. It is what it is. I can't help it, but the idiotic thing in Europe.